Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Chikmagalur tourist places. If not subscribed the channel, subscribe. Chikmagalur, nestled in the western Ghats of Karnataka, offers some stunning tourist spots. Mullanagiri Peak, the highest peak in Karnataka, offering breathtaking views and trekking opportunities. Baba Budangiri, known for its scenic beauty, trekking trails, and the shrine of Dattatreya Swami. Kudremukh National Park, famous for its biodiversity, trekking trails, and stunning landscapes. Coffee estates, Chikmagalur is renowned for its coffee plantations. Many estates offer guided tours and homestays. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, rich in flora and fauna, ideal for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. Hebbe Falls, a picturesque waterfall amidst lush greenery, accessible by a trek or jeep ride. Kemangundi, a hill station known for its beautiful gardens, viewpoints, and serene atmosphere. Jhari Waterfalls, another stunning waterfall surrounded by dense forests, perfect for a refreshing dip. Chikmagalur is a serene hill station in Karnataka, India, renowned for its lush greenery, coffee plantations, and picturesque landscapes. It's a heaven for nature lovers, trekkers, and those seeking a peaceful retreat amidst the western Ghats. From the towering Mullanagiri Peak to the cascading waterfalls like Hebbe Falls and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary's rich biodiversity, Chikmagalur offers a range of experiences for visitors to immerse themselves. Chikmagalur has a rich and diverse history dating back centuries. Here's a brief overview. 1. Early history. Chikmagalur's history dates back to ancient times, with mentions in inscriptions from the Hosla period, 10th to 14th centuries. It was part of various South Indian kingdoms, including the Kadambas, Gangas, Cholas, Hoslas, and Vijayanagara Empire. 2. Coffee cultivation. Chikmagalur gained prominence during the British colonial era for its ideal climate for coffee cultivation. It was one of the first places in India where coffee was grown, with seeds brought from Yemen by Baba Budhan, a Sufi saint, in the 17th century. The coffee plantations transformed the region's economy and landscape. 3. Religious significance. Chikmagalur is also significant from a religious perspective. It is believed that the town's name originates from Chikkamgaluru, meaning younger daughter's town, in Kannada. Legend has it that the town was given as a dowry to the younger daughter of Rukmangala, the chief of Sakrapna. 4. Cultural heritage. The region has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from various dynasties and communities. It is home to ancient temples, forts, and monuments that reflect the area's historical significance. 5. Independence movement. Like many parts of India, Chikmagalur played a role in the country's struggle for independence from British rule. It was a center for various movements and protests led by freedom fighters. Overall, Chikmagalur's
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. to create